Hello, my name is Halima.
My name is Ashmita. We are from 9th standard. Today we are going to show the working model of the Archimedes principle. So what is Archimedes principle?
The buoyancy force of the object is equal to the fluid is equal to the weight of the object.
Where is the fluid displaced from the object due to the object? When the object is partially or fully went inside the fluid, there is a force which acts on the object, making it to bounce back, and this is the force called buoyancy force. So let us see. So now we are have here a glass full of water. So I am filling this. So up to edge we have to fill. If we fill much more water, the water will come out. So after the calculation, we are taking 100 grams of this weight, and now we are gonna put this inside this water bottle, so thus the water comes out, and we are gonna secrete that water which comes out from this. So here the water is secreting inside this bottle, and this water is getting secreted due to the force which is acted by the object. So when we see the measuring the object water displaced by the object, the water will be the same quantity as the objects which is displaced by it. So each drop matters, so until it gets, we have to wait. So now we are calculating this much of water in here. So we have taken 100 grams of stone, and it is almost equal to it. So this is called the Archimedes principle, and if we want to see where are this principle is used in our daily life is when the ships, when we move in the float, it floats in the water without sinking into it. But iron nail get float means when it goes to the inside the water. So this principle is applied in here. Thank you.